everybody? Devin up here and I'm back, and today I got HyperX Cloud Alpha wireless headphone. I never actually owned a HyperX headphone, so this is actually my first time into HyperX products. So what I'm gonna do is, listen to it, you know what I'm saying, give it my honest opinion on how I feel about it. As you see right here, 300 hours worth of battery life. 24 hours is a whole day. So 300? That's a lot. And yeah, let's get it started. So with that being said, I got goals today, you got goals today. Let's get it started. Throw them things for your boy like always, because we got goals out here to accomplish. Let's get it started. Alright, first things first is to start unboxing it. And it looks like somebody already tried to unbox it. Nigga, what the f? Alright, so when you unbox it, you have a little small warranty. A thank you note for joining the HyperX family. I think that's dope. I love when products like, make you feel good for buying their products. Specs, little guidebook, to go over what the headphones can do. And lastly, oh my gosh, I think this is so awesome. Look at this. Everything all put together, everything is here. Like, so easy to unbox. All right, so now we got all the pieces here. We got the mic piece right here. The little subwoofer right here. This is gonna, be placed on the mic to block out the wind and the noise. You got a little USB adapter to place this. You can use this on your PlayStation, Xbox, laptop, whatever have you. The wireless adapter piece. USB Type-C charging, so it's going to be good fast charging. With 300 hours worth of battery life, USB Type-C is the thing. All right, the last, you got the headphones itself. This looks really amazing and nice. Good quality. Up top is pretty firm. Pause. You know what I'm saying? HyperX right here. The nice graphics all over. I like the design, the black and red. This actually feels like like a cheap metal, but definitely like pretty tough. You see I'm trying to bend it, so this is gonna be some good quality. Like, this is gonna kind of last you for like a good while, some years, I guess I would say. So that's really good. You want a product that has some good quality around it, so it lasts you. And for this price, like, it's not bad for what you're getting. So far it passed the quality test. Now let's get into the specs. DTS headphone X Spado audio, dual chamber drivers, memory foam, and 2.4G wireless. Up to 300 hours worth of battery life. That's amazing. You're gonna hear some great gameplay, especially with that Spado audio being surround sound. It's gonna have all your basic needs covered. This is like an above average headphones, and I think you'll really like it and enjoy it for a long time. So here, you'll place the headphone piece as so. USB Type-C charging port right here. You got the mute button right here and the power button all on one side. And then you also have the volume. You can gauge it up and down. I wish it was a little bit bigger, or this can be the dial of the headphones, like an Xbox style headphones. But you know what though? You get what you get, and it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain too much. When it comes to the quality and comfortability, I just put these on my head. I feel like these are really comfortable. You can look at if you just feel the inside of these right here, man, the earmuffs feels amazing. The quality on top just feels nice, feel like pillows. You get that cool breeze when you put these on. Oh my gosh, the love I feel from this, Like, I'm really rocking with these. Like, these are really dope.
Yo, what's good, everybody? Devin up here. Today, right now, I'm reviewing the HyperX wireless headset. This is my first time ever playing a God of War game. I'm only playing this because Ragnarok's supposed to come out pretty soon. Anyway, that's besides the point. Right now I'm reviewing the mic, and so far I'm liking this mic. I just reviewed the Arctic 9 like an hour ago, because I want to get a good review of this. And so far, I'm liking the difference between this and the Arctic 9. You already know the HyperX. I love the quality of it, the specs, you know, that it comes with the sound, also the battery life. I'm loving that. The difference between the Arctic 9 and this, I don't feel like I have to fight against the mic that I did with the Arctic 9. I feel like with the Arctic 9, I feel like I was fighting with the sounds of the game. I adjusted the settings on the Arctic 9 versus this. I'm actually just talking with no adjusting the settings, and you know, I know you guys can hear me because I don't know, it's just the way that it sounds. You know, I hear myself more in this game.
All right, y'all, let's enter the video. What do y'all think about the headphones? I think it did pretty well. Like I said, it was comfortable, definitely easy to play with. I didn't have any issues. It was just a plug and play and go. It was a plug and go. So I just put it in the system, you know what I'm saying? No configurations. It was ready to go as soon as I put it in, you know what I'm saying? I heard no complaints, you know what I'm saying? And like, she called me back too, okay? But yeah, with that being said, I'm done. Thanks for watching. And I have nothing else to say. These are good headphones. I give it 10 out of 10, my rating, you know what I'm saying? I rate it on comfortability, price, how it feels, you know what I'm saying? It's everything. I had no problems. Like I said, I love great products for a reasonable price, okay? And this is reasonable, $200. Everything, okay? I'm gonna stop saying it, but y'all get what I'm trying to say. Y'all get everything here. It's a good starter to intermediate headphones, okay? This is no way me saying this is a pro level headset, because it's not. Okay, this is a good basic starter, entry level to intermediate level headset that will get you very far and will carry on for years for you, okay? It's not cheap, it's a good quality. So with that being said, I could go today, you gotta go today. Love these headphones, go out and get it before it's too late. I'm out, peace.